So now the third load balancing is least response time method. The least response time method routes incoming traffic to the server with the quickest response time. This approach aims to minimize user latency by selecting the server that can process requests more efficiently and quickly. So in this particular method, the call is going to the server which is giving request very frequently and very effectively and quickly. Advantages: optimize user experience by consistently directing traffic to the server with the fastest response time. This method optimizes the user's experience, resulting in quicker page loads and interactions. Effective for applications with varying server performance. It works well for application where server capacity is different. Disadvantages of this method: continuous monitoring required. Obviously, same problem here. We are going to monitor the response time and all those things with the server. To maintain efficiency, it is essential to continuously monitor the response times for each server, which can introduce some operation overhead. May not consider server loads. While it prioritizes server time, response time, it may not factor in the current load on each server. Okay, now fourth item is a least bandwidth method. The least bandwidth method is designed to distribute network traffic to the server with the least amount of bandwidth uses. This approach is particularly useful for applications where bandwidth is a critical resource and efficient bandwidth utilization is a top priority. Advantages of this methods are efficient bandwidth utilization. By sending traffic to server with lower bandwidth uses, this method maximizes the utilizations of available network resources. Suitable for bandwidth critical application. It is well suited for applications that have varying bandwidth requirements for different operations. Disadvantages: requirements continue bandwidth monitoring. Same problem here. We have to put one extra overhead. May not consider other server matrices. Now, fifth is a hashing method. In the hashing method, a hash function is used to map client request to specific servers. Requests with the same properties or IP address are consistently directed to the same server. This can be beneficial for maintaining sessions data or ensuring consistent processing for a specific client. Advantages of this method: ensures sessions persistence. The hashing method guarantees that requests from the same client will go to the same server. Useful for stateful application. It is particularly useful for applications that rely on stateful connections where consistent server assignment is necessary. The disadvantages are uneven distributions if hash function is not well designed. Obviously, if there are four servers, one server got down or killed, then obviously hashing is going to totally change. The request is not going to the same server. So that is a one big problem. There is a solution for that, but yeah, that we have to consider. Doesn't consider server loads. This method primarily focuses on ensuring consistent servers assignment. It does not consider the factor like server loads, potentially leading to the imbalanced resource utilizations. These load balancing methods provide a toolbox of options, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your application specific need. Understanding the new load balancing is very important, and you have to understand where exactly and what kind of methods you are going to utilize in your application. Okay, guys, so hope you understand this load balancing concepts. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel with your friends, family, and other colleagues. Thank you. Have a nice day.